Hi, this is Jeffrey Kerr, Kerr Financial Group. Today is Wednesday, March 13, 2024. So, Barron's Magazine, if you're not familiar with it, is a weekly publication, comes out on Saturdays. It's a sister publication of the Wall Street Journal. And, still an important magazine, but back in the day, it was the thing you had to catch up on. I mean, you had to know come Monday morning what was talked about in Barron's. They had great writers. They had great features. One of the features was a 3 week interview, a roundtable, they call it, with the big names on Wall Street in the beginning of January. So, with predictions, things to watch, and stock picks. And still, they had the columns on the stock market, the fixed income market, commodities, international markets, particular companies like that. Still somewhat important, but I don't think it has, because of the internet with free information on the platforms, carries the same weight, but it's still an important still important periodical. And this past week, the cover of it is Bet on the Bull, and we're showing it here. So, it brings a discussion about whether some magazine covers reflect, the market top or turning point, top or bottom. And, the most famous one goes back to 1979 with Business Week. And here it's showing this one with Death of Equities. Now, the market didn't bottom until 1982, but, in the late 70s, the stock market was really out of favor, and no one ever felt there was going to be any money to be made in the stock market again. And Business Week publishes that again 3 years later. The market bottoms in '82 and just goes on, from there. So whether this Barron's cover marks the same thing, kind of hard to know. The S&P 500 is up 25% from the October lows. So, it's kind of, thinking that it's going to run out of gas, and yet Barron's runs this cover. So the last time that we've had an S&P move like this, last three times, has been August of 2020, and the market did take off after the economic shutdown earlier that year. July 2009, after the great financial crisis, and the stock market did continue to climb higher. And then January 1999, market had a good year in 1999, but there was the dot-com bubble blow up in beginning of 2000, in spring, second quarter of 2000. So hard to know what's going on. Let me know your thoughts if you have any regarding the magazine covers, and kind of where you think the markets are at now. Thank you for listening. We'll be back tomorrow or Friday. Thank you again. Bye.